Neo, are you awake yet? Do you still not believe? Focus on the cross and tell me what you see. These are things that can only be seen through your peripheral vision. This is not a trick. This is not an illusion. The longer you watch, the more distorted and grotesque their faces grow, and you can see their true nature. This is true deception. Perception is deception. These images are terrifying. The veil is being lifted. What you're seeing is real. This is what is controlling us. You can stop this video and re-watch it, and you'll see that these faces are not altered. This is true deception. It's time for everyone to wake up and face the truth of what we're dealing with.
This is your last chance. After this, there is no turning back. You take the blue pill, the story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill, you stay in Wonderland, and I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes.